The Embassy of the People's Republic of China in Nigeria has commended the Nigerian government for constantly promoting unity and the rich cultural heritage of the country amidst diversity. Mr. Li Zuda, Cultural Counselor, Chinese Embassy, made the commendation in Abuja during the commemoration of the 2022 World Day for Cultural Diversity, Dialogue and Development. The 2022 commemoration was with the theme Culture, National Unity and Security, promoting national unity and security through culture. Li said that culture is the foundation of national development and the driving force of social progress, hence a critical tool that must be used by countries to promote peace and prosperity.
As to the importance of culture, I'd like to say that culture is the foundation of national development and the driving force of social progress. Both China and Nigeria are cultural giants with a long history. Culture plays an important role in historical process of their national independence and revitalization. The concept of harmony is most emphasized by the Chinese people in its culture. At the level of man and nature, we advocate harmony in coexistence. At the level of family and society, we advocate harmony in integration. At the level of nation and civilization, we advocate harmony in diversity. At the level of state and governance, we advocate harmony in development. In short, our goal is to create a harmonious world with peaceful development of mankind.
Dr. Ifeoma Anyawutaku, Permanent Secretary, Federal Ministry of Information and Culture, represented by Ugochi Akudo Nwosu, Deputy Director, Entertainment and Creative Services Department of the Ministry, said that the theme of this year's commemoration creates a veritable platform for dialogue and national development.
We are gathered here today not only to celebrate culture, but also reflect on our national life and explore ways of promoting national unity through culture as aptly captured in this year's theme: culture, national unity and security, promoting national unity and security through culture. As patriotic Nigerians, the security of our dear country is our collective responsibility. While the federal government continues to channel resources towards ridding our nation of the multifaceted challenges faced by the security infrastructure of the nation, we must complement efforts of government in addressing the increasing security issues created by enemies of nationhood by deploying cultural elements in fighting this menace. Our diversity is strengthened and Nigerians are free to live in any part of the country other than their ancestral home. Our unique and diverse cultural heritage is a unifier, and irrespective of differences in expression, we share commonality in certain aspects of our way of life.
The audience was entertained with different cultural displays from various ethnic groups and cultures. The World Day for Cultural Diversity, Dialogue and Development is set aside yearly by the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization to celebrate and promote rich cultures across the globe.